All right, Gen Z, listen up. If you're looking for some extra cash without sacrificing your lifestyle, I've got the best side gigs for you in 2024. First up, content creation. Whether it's TikTok, YouTube, or even blogging, there's a platform for everyone. Brands are paying big bucks for authentic voices, and guess what? That's you. Just be yourself, share your passion, and watch the followers and the money roll in. Next, freelance gigs. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork are gold mines. Are you good at graphic design, writing, or coding? Turn those skills into cash, set your own hours, work from anywhere, and build a portfolio that'll make future employers drool. Now let's talk about online tutoring. If you crushed it in school or have a knack for explaining things, sites like Chegg and Tutor.com need you. Plus, helping others succeed feels pretty awesome. Ever heard of flipping? No, not gymnastics flips, I mean buying low, selling high. Hit up thrift stores, garage sales, or even online marketplaces. Find hidden gems and sell them for a profit on eBay or Poshmark. It's like a modern-day treasure hunt. Don't forget about gig apps. Driving for Uber or delivering food with Swiggy can be super flexible. You control when you work, and it's a great way to meet new people, or just jam out to your favorite tunes while making money. Lastly, consider pet sitting or dog walking. Apps like Rover or Wag let you play with cute animals and get paid for it. It's a win-win. So, there you have it. The best side hustles for Gen Z in 2024. Time to hustle and make that extra cash without giving up your freedom. Catch you in the next video. Stay awesome and stay hustling.